Hey there, I hope that you're enjoying your Labor Day, but I wanted to share with you what I've been working on. If you noticed previously, I launched the Spooky Halloween Toolkit for my crafters and my Etsy sellers and those who are looking at doing print on demand, digital type of products for the Halloween season. So if you haven't checked out the Spooky Halloween Toolkit, I'm going to put a link to it in the description below so you can go check it out. It is loaded. It has over 343 graphics with that. Now, the new thing I'm working on or just finished working on is the community membership builders toolkit. Now, I know a lot of people are looking at starting communities, building them, making money from them, pre-launching them, and need a way to manage them. So I went ahead and put together an entire toolkit for community members, right? So if you're looking at starting a community, then I'm going to jump into my computer and give you a rundown of what's all included inside of the community members toolkit. Okay, the community membership toolkit. Let's dive in. So you're wanting to start a community, build a community membership, whether that be on Facebook groups or Skool, but hey, you want to build a community and you need some ideas and things like that. So you want to go ahead and first download my free guide. It gives you 115 community membership ideas. Okay, so you're going to want to go ahead and download that. But let me go ahead and explain to you right now what this is that you're looking at. Okay, so right now you're looking at the community membership command center. This is a part of the community membership toolkit. Now in this toolkit, you get this command center as well as the toolkit essentials. You get a community welcome email sequence. You get new membership onboarding guide. You get a community rules and guidelines. You get 30 days worth of engagement prompts for your community, as well as you will have a quick hot link to the 315 community membership ideas guide. You will get the Skool community roadmap. If you're looking to build your community on Skool, you have a checklist here on this roadmap to make sure you do not miss a beat. You also get the community membership playbook as well. So these are the things that you get inside the toolkit, and you can find them here in the command center. Now, what makes this command center so awesome, you also get all the things that you need to run and keep track of your community membership. Let's go down and check out your navigation. You have access to platforms. You can put your platforms in here. So this is kind of what it looks like. You can have access to your platforms. You can see what you have scheduled. You can see how much content is in those platforms. And then you can press a button to go back to the command center. You also have a place where you can put your mini goals and your ultimate goals, and you have them right here so you can track to make sure that you're moving your community along and that your community is growing. As well as you have topics of conversation, topics and things that interest you that you want to talk about within your community membership. You can do that right here. You also have an area where you can put your content. So you can pre-plan like your post and everything like that. Now in Facebook groups, you have a scheduler, but in Skool, you have to post in real time. But you still should have an idea of what you're going to be talking about. And right here is your content planner, basically. So you have everything you need right here. You have a calendar view that you can go to and see. And then, of course, you have the templates area where you can put your templates. So say, for example, you welcome every new member to your community. You might have a member spotlight. You can go ahead and put that template here so that way you can copy and paste and it'll be quick for you to upload your content. And then also, if you have tools, now you need tools to run your community, whether you're using email, Canva, things like that, Skool, high level, you will put all your tools here. If you do not use these tools, that's fine. You can just delete them, or you can make a new tool and create your own tools there that you can keep track of and how you use them. Then here goes the projects. Now the projects is kind of like your challenges, things that you're working on in your community. So say, for example, one of the projects that you could be working on is a challenge, right? Some type of community challenge you want to do for your members. And that's a project you need to plan. So you can go in here into the projects and you can plan your challenge. or whatever project that you are working on. You can plan that here. You can click new project, fill it out. The images here are from Unsplash. You can use them free. It's no biggie. And or you could take the images out. And then, of course, last but not least, your growth. You can see the growth right here on how your community is growing. Here go all of it. You can see, hey, I had this many members at the start between this period, and this is what it has now. And you can see your growth. Anything that's in red or in a negative will be here. Anything that's in a positive will be here. And this is current because there's no growth because you haven't yet put in the data. But once you do, it will calculate the growth for you or the decline, so you can see on which platforms is moving the way that you want them to move to help you grow and build your community. Now, on the command center board, right here on this dashboard, you have the navigation, but you also can see what needs to be done today. You can see what's coming up. You can go ahead and drag and drop. So say, for instance, like me in my community, I have a digital product creators community where we talk about creating various types of digital products, whether that's courses, memberships, clip art, Etsy. We do it all because we have multiple digital products that we're working on and an empire that we're building inside of the Digital Creator Society. So if you want to join, I will have a link to that as well. But this is kind of what you can do. You can, say for instance, there's an Etsy trending products for Halloween. I'm going to be talking about that in my community. And say today is the 2nd. It's the holiday. Happy Labor Day. And say, for instance, I want to put this here. Well, guess what? It's up here now. It's saying, hey, you need to publish this today at 10 a.m. on Skool, right? So that is already there for me. You can just drag and drop. If I'm not ready, I can put it back in draft. And as you can see, it disappeared because it's back in draft and I can move this over. These are this is a Caben board, and then this is just your drag and drop where you can actually drag it and schedule it accordingly. All right. And this is all for you on the main dashboard of the community membership command center that you get as a part of the toolkit. Now, this toolkit right now, all of these things and everything that's included with this toolkit, all of this that you get is available right now for only $9. So you're going to want to jump on this ASAP. You're going to want to get this toolkit ASAP before it's no longer available, or you can get it free inside of the Digital Creator Society when you become a member of the community, along with other toolkits, other digital assets and trainings that you need to be successful. Woo, that was a mouthful. So now you know what's kind of included inside the kits. I didn't really want to dive in and click the links and just share all of the prompts and everything here on this video, but they're all inside of the toolkit, guys. I mean, it is massive, it is major, and it is hot. And it is the best way. And it's on Notion. And Notion is free. It's an app. You can get to it through your phone. You can get to it on your computer. It is awesome. So that is the way to go. You know, we are all about the digital renaissance era here, and especially in the Digital Creator Society. Right now, we have a wall art challenge going on right now. In about a course of over 14 days, I want to believe we're going to have over 50 wall art pieces each ready to sell and upscaled and ready to go with the mock-ups and everything they need so satisfaction can be guaranteed. This is what we do in the Digital Creator Society. I create so many products, guys, that I'm just giving them out to the members. We're all making money on our Etsy shops, whether we're selling them digitally, in our memberships where the courses are being sold, in any type of coaching programs that you want to do. We do it all. So, and we motivate each other. And again, this community is relatively new so far as being a paid community. All right. So I look forward to seeing you inside. Thanks for watching.